In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw Solana from GMGN. So first off, you'll need a GMGN account, and in case you don't have one, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 30% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, from here, once you're in the GMGN account, if you want to withdraw Solana, you want to go to the very top right over here where you can see your account, and you want to click on this arrow down. And from here, you want to click on where it says deposit/withdraw. So click on this. And from here, you want to click on withdraw, which is up here. And this will open up Telegram. Now, if you have Telegram installed on your computer as an app, you can click Start Bot and it will open it up. However, if you're using the web version like me, you can just click Open in Web. And as you can see, it will open up the Solana Sniper bot. There we go. And as you can see, it will give you the information of your Solana wallet. So this is actually my GMGN wallet over here inside the bot. And you can see the balance and the referral link, etc. From here, what you then want to do to withdraw this Solana, you want to click Set Withdrawal Address. And it will ask you to enter the withdrawal address. So what you then want to do is just simply get your address. So I'm going to go to Phantom Wallet over here because it's the easiest, I think. You can use whatever you want. And then I'm going to go to Receive and then copy the Solana address. Paste this in here, click Enter. And just like this, as you can see, it will say token information not found because my wallet is currently not active. However, when yours will be, it will get connected to your address. And just like this, you'll be able to essentially withdraw your Solana. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.